everyone, and welcome. Preparing for CTET often feels overwhelming, but what if I told you it could actually be simple, focused, and effective? In this session, I'll walk you through the complete CTET roadmap from eligibility and subject selection to exam sessions, exam pattern, preparation strategies, and key tips. By the end, you will have a clear, practical plan to approach CTET with confidence. Before we start, a quick mention. Many aspirants find it helpful to have study material organized in one place. We are in the process of putting together some notes aligned with NCERT and CTET. If you think this could support your preparation, details on how to access them will appear on the screen. The purpose of this video is not to complicate things, but to simplify them. I am here to share guidance that is clear, practical, and realistic. No tall claims, just strategies that actually work. In upcoming sessions, we will also dive into subject-wise preparation, especially for English teaching and social science. So, you will get well-rounded support for your CTET journey. Now, let's talk about when the exam takes place. CTET is conducted twice a year. The first session usually in July and the second in December. The Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, is the official authority, so always depend on its notifications. Be cautious of unofficial sources because relying on them can sometimes cause confusion. Next, eligibility. For the primary stage classes 1 to 5, you need a diploma in elementary education with at least 50% marks. For the upper primary stage classes 6 to 8, a B.Ed or equivalent qualification is required. And the good news, there is no upper age limit, which means anyone with the right qualification can apply. When it comes to subject selection, align it with your area of expertise. For instance, if you're aiming for classes 6 to 8, you can choose from subjects like mathematics, science, social science, or English, whichever matches your qualification and comfort zone. CTET consists of 2 papers. Paper 1 is for teaching classes 1 to 5, Paper 2 is for teaching classes 6 to 8. Each paper has 150 multiple choice questions carrying 1 mark each. The exam duration is 2 hours and 30 minutes. And the best part, there is no negative marking. You can attempt all questions confidently without fear of losing marks. Let's move to the most important part, preparation. Start with NCERT books, especially for child development and pedagogy, which forms the backbone of the exam. Solve previous year's papers to get a grip on the exam pattern. Take mock tests to sharpen time management and accuracy. Practice your chosen language thoroughly. Comprehension, grammar, and vocabulary are equally scoring areas. Even 2 to 3 focused hours daily can bring excellent results. Also, here are a few things to avoid. Do not wait for the notification to start your studies. Early preparation gives you an edge. Do not ignore child development and teaching methods. They carry high weightage. And remember, short crash course videos can complement your studies, but they shouldn't replace systematic preparation. At the end of the day, CTET is not just an exam. It's your pathway towards becoming a skilled and confident teacher. Approach it like building a strong foundation. Steady, consistent, and focused. Avoid shortcuts, stay disciplined, and keep your plan structured. Believe in your preparation, trust the process, and remember, teaching is not just about clearing an exam. It's about shaping young minds. With clarity, persistence, and smart effort, CTET success is absolutely within your reach. Stay positive, stay confident, and study smart. See you in the next session.